In the rapidly evolving environment of 2026, artificial intelligence has matured beyond its historical role as a laboratory curiosity, now commanding the center stage as an industrial engine powering the modern enterprise. The central concern is no longer can we build an AI model, but how do we ensure that these models scale reliably, securely, and ethically across the vast expanse of enterprise operations? The answer lies in rigorously implementing AI operation strategies underpinned by governance models. The journey begins with the reimagining of AI workflows. In contrast to the artisanal, manual approaches of the early 2020s, contemporary organizations employ modular AI architectures. Imagine a technology landscape in which data ingestion, feature engineering, and model inference exist as disjoint yet interoperable microservices, each able to scale independently. When a consumer electronics giant faces a surge in user analytics during holiday sales, the scalability of these microservices ensures that the increased demand does not incapacitate the whole pipeline, but is instead absorbed seamlessly. This modularity also bestows technical flexibility. As new forms of large language models or neural architectures emerge, the enterprise can swap them in, maintaining operational continuity while staying at the technological frontier. But technical prowess alone is insufficient. The imperatives of governance and ethical compliance dominate every strategic discussion. In 2026, AI operates under the scrutiny of legal, ethical, and societal stakeholders. At the core stands a centralized registry of models, a living repository capturing every iteration, every piece of training data, and every ethical sign-off. As global regulators demand algorithmic transparency, this registry provides a lineage for each automated recommendation or decision. Bias auditing becomes routine. Before deployment, models must prove that they do not inadvertently entrench social inequity. For instance, a financial institution's loan approval model must not only achieve state-of-the-art predictive outcomes, but also withstand scrutiny for disparate impact across demographic groups. To solidify operational efficiency, the paradigm of MLOps is fully embraced. In 2026, the AI pipeline has metamorphosed into a closed-loop system, one that senses its own efficacy. When market realities shift and the algorithm begins to drift from the original data distribution, automated retraining mechanisms are triggered. A retailer's demand forecasting model, noticing changes in consumer patterns due to a viral social media trend, can automatically retrain and redeploy, remaining accurate without the need for constant human supervision. However, scaling AI globally is fraught with operational risks. The heterogeneity of infrastructure means models must contend with latency challenges, sovereignty of data, and the unpredictabilities of model hallucinations at scale. To counter these, enterprises employ redundancy and observability by design. In a multinational logistics company, edge AI systems process time-critical data locally, ensuring both compliance with data residency laws and real-time responsiveness. Should the AI's confidence in its recommendation falter, a dramatic drop in a fraud detection system score, for instance, a kill switch instantly reverts control to human operators, averting catastrophe. The final challenge is socio-technical, harmonizing the worlds of data science and site reliability engineering. While data scientists are preoccupied with maximizing model performance, SREs demand bulletproof uptime. Shared metric frameworks become the lingua franca, fostering a new alliance. Instead of haggling over arcane technical metrics, stakeholders measure AI's value through its impact on business outcomes. Fraud losses averted, inventory turns accelerated, patient outcomes improved. The model is not only smart, but also robust and accountable. In summary, as AI becomes the operational core of enterprise ambition in 2026, success is owed not just to superior algorithms, but to the governance models that orchestrate their responsible and resilient deployment at scale. The future enterprise is defined not by what its AI can do, but by how reliably, safely, and ethically it accomplishes it at industrial scale.